Welcome to the Secret Gadgets channel, where you can find the lastest gadgets that came in the market. Forget unstable flights. With advanced stabilization and precision control, this RC airplane makes every flight smooth, whether you're a beginner or a pro. Built for speed, durability, and agility, this RC airplane is ready for action, from high-speed races to stunning aerobatics. To save you time and money, we have collected the 5 best RC airplane with remote control on the market. You can see the product links in the description of the video below. Number 1. Introducing the Fremego Rc Airplane, a lightweight, durable, and easy-to-fly aircraft perfect for beginners and hobbyists. Made from super strong EPP foam, this flexible and crash-resistant plane is designed to withstand tough landings. Powered by 4 motors, it offers powerful takeoffs, smooth gliding, and responsive control. Even if you've never flown an RC plane before, this model is incredibly beginner-friendly. With a remote control range of 100 meters, you'll have plenty of airspace to explore. The 3.7V lithium battery provides 12 to 15 minutes of flight time, and with a quick 30-40 minute recharge, you'll be back in the sky in no time. Take off from the ground with ease, perform thrilling maneuvers, and enjoy the freedom of flight with the Fremego Rc Airplane, a perfect addition to any RC enthusiast's collection. Number 2. Introducing the V17 RC Plane, a lightweight, durable, and beginner-friendly aircraft designed for fun and easy flying. Built with EPP foam, this plane is flexible and impact-resistant, making it perfect for first-time pilots. The 2.4 GHz 4-channel remote control provides smooth handling, allowing you to ascend, descend, and turn left or right with precision. The powerful motor ensures effortless takeoff, and with a 120-meter remote range, you can explore the skies with confidence. Enjoy up to 15 minutes of flight time on a single charge, and recharge in just 30 to 40 minutes to get back in the air quickly. Compact yet powerful, the V17 RC Plane is ready to fly right out of the box. Whether you're a beginner or an RC enthusiast, this model is a must-have for anyone who loves the thrill of flight. Number 2. Introducing the Hywiwine Rc Plane, the perfect lightweight and durable remote-controlled aircraft for beginners and experienced pilots alike. With its 4-channel control system, you can ascend, descend, and maneuver smoothly, making it easy to fly indoors or outdoors. The powerful motor provides up to 10 minutes of flight time, and the 50-meter remote range lets you enjoy full control of your aircraft. Built with anti-wind capability, this RC plane remains stable even in light breezes, giving you a smooth flying experience. Its lightweight yet durable EPP foam construction helps absorb minor impacts, making it an excellent choice for first-time pilots. The Hywiwine Rc Plane comes ready to fly, requiring minimal setup, so you can start soaring right away. With a fast 60-minute recharge time, you'll be back in the air in no time. Number 4. Take your RC flying experience to the next level with the JIKEFUN Rc Plane, a high-speed remote-controlled fighter jet built for performance, durability, and fun. This lightweight aircraft made from crash-resistant EPP foam is designed for smooth and stable flight, perfect for both beginners and experienced RC pilots. With an extended remote control range of 150 meters, you'll enjoy unmatched maneuverability in open areas. Powered by a 7.4V 400mAh battery, the JIKEFUN Rc Plane provides up to 12 minutes of non-stop action before recharging with the included USB charger. Whether you're looking to perform aerial tricks or simply glide through the air, this RC fighter jet offers an exciting and immersive flying experience. Ready to take off? The JIKEFUN Rc Plane is your ultimate choice for high-speed, long-range, and action-packed flights. Number 5. Experience the thrill of flight with the FEISANY Rc Plane, a 3-channel aircraft built for stability, durability, and long-range performance. Made from crash-resistant EPP foam and sturdy engineering plastics, this lightweight yet tough RC plane is perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots. With an extended remote control range of 200 meters, you'll enjoy smooth, uninterrupted flights across open areas. Powered by dual coreless motors, 071 SIG-62, this aircraft delivers strong propulsion, making takeoffs and maneuvers effortless. The 3.7V 500 mAh Li-Poly battery provides up to 20 minutes of flight time, keeping you in the air longer before needing a quick 60-minute recharge with the included USB charger. Whether you're practicing precision flying or soaring through the sky, the FEISANY Rc Plane offers an exciting and immersive experience. Take control, take flight, and enjoy the ultimate RC adventure.